The Epson PowerLite 810E Ultra Short Throw 3 LCD projector is changing what people expect from projection technology. It's sleek, powerful, and designed to bring massive screen experiences into any space. No complicated setup, no ceiling mounts, just pure visual performance. This projector feels like the perfect balance between elegance, simplicity, and next-level imaging. Its design alone sets the tone. The build is modern and minimalist, allowing it to blend seamlessly into your living room, office, or studio. It's compact but delivers an image that can stretch up to 120 inches from just a few inches away from the wall. That ultra-short throw capability makes it ideal for small spaces where a traditional projector wouldn't fit. At the heart of this device is Epson's 3 LCD projection technology. The result is incredibly bright, vivid, and accurate color reproduction. With a brightness of up to 5,000 lumens, it performs beautifully even in daylight conditions, maintaining depth, detail, and contrast without fading. Whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or giving a presentation, the visuals are sharp and dynamic from corner to corner. The resolution is full HD 1080p, but with Epson's precision pixel enhancement and HDR support, the image quality rivals 4K clarity. Blacks look deeper, whites are cleaner, and the contrast feels perfectly balanced. Every frame feels alive, no washed-out tones or pixel blur. It's the kind of picture that draws you in and holds your attention effortlessly. One of the biggest advantages of this projector is how easy it is to set up. You can simply place it near a wall or screen, power it on, and it automatically adjusts the image using its built-in alignment and keystone correction system. There's no need for tedious calibration or professional installation. It's practically plug-and-play. The connectivity options are versatile, including HDMI, USB, LAN, and wireless support. That means you can connect laptops, consoles, streaming sticks, or even smartphones quickly. The projector also supports screen mirroring, which is perfect for business use or sharing videos and games wirelessly. Audio quality is another pleasant surprise. The integrated speakers are clear and powerful enough for everyday use, delivering balanced sound without distortion. But if you want an immersive cinema experience, it pairs perfectly with a soundbar or surround setup via HDMI ARC or optical output. Inside, the Epson PowerLite 810E uses a laser light engine that offers up to 20,000 hours of lifespan. That's years of consistent performance with no bulb replacements and no maintenance worries. The laser also ensures faster startup and instant brightness the moment you power it on. No waiting, no warm-up time. In real-world testing, the performance stands out. The image remains consistent even at extreme angles, and the brightness doesn't drop off near the edges. It's ideal for large rooms, compact apartments, or creative spaces where you want a premium viewing experience without a traditional setup. The smooth motion handling and crisp detail make it equally great for movies and gaming. The PowerLite 810E doesn't just project images. It transforms your viewing space into a professional-grade display environment. It's a solution for users who want top-tier quality without the bulk, noise, or limitations of standard projectors. Epson clearly focused on reliability, image excellence, and long-term value. For anyone looking to upgrade their home theater or create a flexible visual setup, this projector is one of the smartest investments out there. It brings cinematic brilliance, smart usability, and laser precision into one seamless package. If you want to buy this Epson PowerLite 810E Ultra Short Throw 3 LCD projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.